5 freaking cents. Hello. I don't know why you clicked on this video. You are already wasting your time. And yeah, I'm doing the same thing. There are scrappers, there are people all over the world who are scrapping TV or other devices, remote controls to get that so-called beautiful board out of them. So I don't wanna waste your time so much. I'm gonna speed up that video about maybe 8 times, I guess. I am trying to somehow scrap those things over here, and let's see, is it really worth your time? So I hope you are not watching that video to the end, but if you do, you are just crazy. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is what we got. All these boards, all of them. Yeah, we can find blob chips or those regular chips, and yeah, there are also people who are taking those chips off. I don't know why, for a gold recovery, to get that few atoms of gold from there. Alright, let's weigh up those things. $17 grams. Wow! Alright, we have, let's say, 230 grams of those boards. It took me about a little bit over 10 minutes to scrap them. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 remote controls. 10 minutes, 15 remote controls. Yeah, it's quite easy to scrap them, but low grade board is so cheap, it's like you know, steel or something, maybe a little bit higher. And how much do we earn? Well, here in Estonia or Finland, we can get about 10 to 15 cents per kilo. We have about 230 grams, and we will get 5 freaking cents. 5 freaking cents. Or we can have that amount of rabbit food, and that's not even fresh, it's frozen. 5 freaking cents. Thank you for wasting your time. Bye.